at IAA checking out some more cool stuff. And they don't only have cars, trucks, trailers. They also have combines here. This is a John Deere Turbo 6622, whatever that means.
This thing is huge.
Huge.
This tire is almost as tall as you.
Let's see. Look at that.
It is actually as tall as you.
Yeah. And I'm about 8 foot, so this is a pretty... No, I'm just
Dang, you're tall. Okay, so before we get into this video, here's a stock number. Go to IAA.com. That's IAAI.com and type in the stock number if you want to play bid on this thing. Get it for your farm now, and you actually get some free grass.
Grass all over this thing.
Look at this. This is actual real grass growing on the truck. Some cracks there that they're growing. Okay, let's go over this thing. Let's find the damages. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
You got a flat tire.
Do you think that totaled it out?
Yep, they got a flat tire. Got cracks in the tire. No, I'm joking. But these tires are expensive.
Yeah, they are.
I was talking to a guy one time. These tires are like $5,000 for one tire.
And
Look at all the belts it's got. Look at all these belts and chains. Holy moly.
Yeah, look at this belt. This is huge.
That's a fat belt.
Do you think that belt from my GM Metro will fit on this thing?
Easy.
Speaking of the tires, look at these. There's some crack in these tires. They're probably still good.
They'll probably still be all right, but
yeah, and look at it. There's a bunch of oil here. I'm guessing maybe something exploded.
hydraulic something. But yeah, no, I think the damage is right here.
It's
Check
bent.
this out. This is all bent. More grass.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look how pretty
Or maybe
it
it's
is.
not grass. Maybe this is wheat. Probably wheat.
I mean, we're such farmer boys that, you know, we should know, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
We rednecks. No, I'm joking. We're not rednecks.
Yeah, I think this thing's sitting a little crooked. Look at this thing.
Something, yeah, broke.
These
Whatever
parts are probably...
front thing that actually cuts. Something happened. It's not even here, but...
Hey, hop on inside and let's check it out. There's some grass here too, or wheat.
Oh. Pretty nice. That's got a heater.
Okay. I mean,
Got
that's...
some shifters. Last time we were here, we actually seen them drive this thing off the trailer. It came in on a lowboy. So, I mean, it obviously runs, or it did back then.
That was like, what, a couple weeks ago?
I'm sure it still does, yeah. The motor's over there. It's got the key. 4,664 hours, or 46,000?
I don't know.
Oh, probably 46,000. Yeah, 4,000 is not a lot for something like this. Probably 46,000. And, yeah.
It's not a bad...
There's
little...
neutral, gasser. That must be the e-brake. Let's see. Show you guys the engine. That looks like a newer part. Made in USA. But yeah, the motor looks fine. The battery is newer. Look at this thing. Pretty cool. Yo, what are you doing? You trying to drive this thing?
Dude, I made a decision. We're quitting shooting YouTube videos and we're gonna go work on the farm. Or, hey, this is better. We're gonna shoot videos at the farm.
Right.
This is pretty cool. So.
Yeah, here's what I think about that. Blah, 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 blah. So yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Don't see one of these every day. So.
Hey, let me show them something here. Let me show you guys. So yeah, this is on top. This is where the wheat or whatever you're combining goes. And it grinds it all up in there.
Doesn't grind it up.
Dude.
It separates the...
Okay, separates. Do I look like a farmer to you?
It's a hopper, dude.
Yeah, it seems pretty decent condition in here. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to look like, but...
It was obviously running if it wrecked, so...
That's for sure.
It must have been working.
What's up? What's in here?
I don't know. Stuff.
Oh, dang, okay.
So yeah, look, it has like augers in there.
Is that what's that called?
So it breaks, huh?
Is that what it's called?
I think, yeah, those are augers, and it separates, so it breaks all this. But then like the straw's left, and then they make bales out of the straw.
At the same time, or what? Or they just leave them?
No, then they have to come back and...
Sounds like you know a lot about farming.
Just a little bit. So yeah, guys, if you're into farming and you need yourself a combine, or go over to IAA, look up the stock number, look it up. If it's something you want to buy, bid on it, and you'll have it fixed up for next season. And make sure you bring in a low boy when you come to pick it up, because this thing, I don't think you're going to be able to drive this home. So
and I know that low boys, they charge about like $3, at least $3 a mile,
so
trying to tow it. So
yeah.
Spokane, Washington.
Let's go over here, guys. We got another piece of farm equipment. So next we got a baler, a big old New Holland crop cutter. Looked like it caught a little bit on fire. Things melted, got a little hot. There's a bunch of lines. Let's see. There's the model number, so it's a BB960A. More information here. It's a 2007. There is the stock number. So the front looks good. Guessing these are all hydraulic fluids and stuff like that. So yeah, things definitely caught on fire. Man, that looks crazy. I would chop up anything. So, let's take a look in here. More burnt stuff. Those look like extra plates. Yeah, this is crazy. This is a massive baler. I don't even know how heavy these bales are. Probably over a ton. But good news, it comes with extra melted baling wire. Or baling twine. A little melted. Let's see. That's probably tells you where to put it. Must feed from here. Tires are all melted. Wheels are damaged too. Yeah, this thing definitely was burning. Let's see what we could find up here. Things. And it's got these little things, you can use those for targets. Let's see what we got. Oh, here we go. So here's where all the twine goes, and it's all melted. So much wires. It's crazy how everything got so many wires and computers and Let's go on this side. So yeah, might still be salvageable. What do you think?
Yeah, dude, definitely.
It's got this.
I have no idea what I'm talking about.
It's got this cool tank.
What was under here?
Oh, that's where all the.
Oh, dang.
That's where the baling wire goes.
That's intense. I've never seen a baler up so close.
Well, this. I've seen them a lot smaller than this. Not so big. Let's see what we got.
Probably just water that goes in here and warms up. Oh,
Or
yeah.
something. I don't know. That looks. Close that up. Yeah, this is cool. I'm sure it's fixable, or
Did you show them
at least got good parts.
Did you show them the stock number?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yep.
Go bid on it.
None. Go and grab a pen.
These things rotate.
Like, imagine how big this bale is.
It's a huge bale. This is not your normal size bales.
It's like, probably easy a ton.
Super
bale.
heavy, like, equipment. Like, so, like, steel and...
Oh, look at this, dude. You can buy this and you just
Oh, dang. You don't even have to hit the gym. Look at that.
buy this and just get buff.
There you go.
See, guys? So there's more than one purpose to this baler. Oh, here, we could look. There's probably more. I showed him on the other side. Yeah, there's one in here. So see,
wire.
look, it goes through the here.
Oh, okay. Automatically
Yeah,
feeds it.
It feeds it inside all those holes. So some of this still might be good, but
I'm sure you could still use
so
that. Like
much
these.
wiring. I'm just surprised how much wiring is in this too.
I mean, it's a pretty technical thing. You have to.
So yeah, if you guys are interested in this thing, it could be a parts rig or you can fix it. I'm not sure. We don't know anything about any of these things. So yeah, make sure you check out IAA, look it up and put a bid on it.
Hey, it's IAAI.com. IAAI.com. Okay. Go check it out. So I think this will be it for this video. Be sure to check out our other videos, right?
Yeah, we got all kinds of videos. If you guys like walk around videos on IAA, we do all kinds of walk arounds with different cars they got here. We also rebuild cars. Not a whole lot of cars, but we do rebuild some, and we have other projects lined up. And yeah, if you guys like this type of content or have any suggestions, make sure you comment below. Let us know what you want to see, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.